Hi, everybody. I'm going to go over the instructions for your memories project, the step that you're going to work on today, and I'll review a little bit first. So, if you need to know what we've already done, if you click the word intro over there, you'll also get a list. There's an index and it tells you what each step is. And then all the instructions are over here on the right. So, step one was to make a silhouette. And if you need to know how to do that, just click the one over on the right and you will find the instructions. Step two was we practiced making some texture samples. And step three was we then put textures inside the silhouette. Step four was adding water to the textures, and that's a little bit tricky, so be careful with it. So, all of those instructions, if you need them, are over here on these tabs 1, 2, 3, 4. Today, I'm going to work on telling you step five, which is working on memories from the past. So, if you click on the step five, um, you're going to need some space at the back of your head and in the front of your face for these next two steps. If you don't have space, add some paper to each side of your silhouette and you can tape the paper from the back. So maybe take a piece of paper and tear it in half or cut it in half and put half at the front of your face and front half at the back. And that way your paper will be wide enough because you need some room to work. All right, so behind your head, we're going to work with memories from the past. So, first, think. Think about your past. What memories come to your mind? Do you have warm, fuzzy memories that make you happy? So, you can think of all kinds of things from when you were little. What are some of the things that you remember as happy, really good memories? These memories help you define yourself and create a sense of yourself. They're part of your history that you take with you. But not all memories are happy. However, for this project, you can choose not to include the difficult ones. You could include only the happy ones. Totally up to you. If you want to include hard or painful memories, that works too. It's completely your choice here. Sometimes the hard ones, the painful ones that we have, are actually really important because they've helped shape us into who we are. So you choose what kind of memories you want to add. You can have happy ones, difficult ones, or a mix. Completely up to you. And then start thinking about images. So visualize. When you think about these memories, what pictures pop into your head? What kind of pictures do you see there in your memory? And then on your artwork, use the space that is behind your head to fill in with these images. So you're thinking back. So that's why it's going in the back of your head. It's behind you, it's your past. So work in that area. Try to draw some images that go with your memories. You don't have to draw exactly what happened. You can try that if you want to, but you can also try to reduce it down to symbols. So, for example, if you have a special memory of a birthday party, you could just draw a cake or maybe draw a present that you got or something that made you happy about that. So, it doesn't have to be the whole scene, it can be just something that helps you recall that memory. The next thing you're going to do is add some words. So we're verbalizing now. Verbalizing means that you put something into words. When you think about your memories, what words pop into your head? You can think about the emotions you felt, or you can think about details that had to do with the event, like names of people who were there. You can come up with sensory details like how the weather felt or things you smelled or colors you noticed, anything. So, any words that help you recall those memories. And then this is still going in the space by the back of your head because remember, it's in your past. So, here's the one trick because you're making art, I want you to try to use an interesting font, not just plain old print. So, see if you can do something interesting with your font. You are free to search up fonts on the internet, but if you just want a quick list of some interesting fonts on the next slide, there's a few. Okay. And then after that, the next step is going to be six. So just for today, quick review. Extend your paper if you need to with some extra paper in front and in back. Think about your memories. Think, think, think. Take a few minutes to think. Draw images that have to do with your memories and add words that have to do with your memories. Okay, so that's what you're working on today. Good luck.